This 2023 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 356QB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 10, auxiliary battery, external shower, awning, water heater, air conditioning, skylight, slideout, refrigerator, spare tire kit, microwave, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 356QB is 11,249 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.